compared to the previous FD100 remote detector, besides retaining the RF remote control detection of FD100. It also adds some current and voltage detection functions, adjustable voltage output function, and oscilloscope function. Now let's demonstrate the functions of FD100 Pro. After turning on, we select the voltage detection mode through the roller. In this mode, we can detect direct current voltage. The voltage detection detects voltages from 0 to 28 volts through the voltage detection function to test the battery capacity of a battery, which is voltage, and the operating voltage. This 1.6 is standard 12 volts. We can see the current state of this battery. This Sunny battery. This battery is okay. We can also test this kind of, such as the common TY100 battery. We can see that the voltage is 3.74 volts, which is normal. This is a common voltage detection function. Thank you for your support.